Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. We are ready for the next tutorial video learning how to do the little leaves like you see there. It's one kind of a leaf, but I'm gonna show you more in the next weeks. First, I want to give a little tip that Pat gave me for the ribbon rose flowers is to when we do the rose that like I showed you last week, in order to prevent the rose from being kind of squarish, like all aligned, like the ribbon when it's folding, to prevent that it's all aligned, when we pull the ribbon at the back, you can twist it a little bit. So twist the ribbon at the back, and this would make the ribbon move at the top, like you're gonna see what I'm doing. So I'm pulling and I'm gonna twist it a little bit, and I just found it was not sufficient, so I also moved it a little bit by hand at the top. So you can play with those two tips, like pulling while you twist or twist a little bit at the top as well. I think both together. Look at the rose, it's kind of a perfect rose. So I thought I should share with you. If you find your roses are a little bit too, the ribbon is too aligned, try that. Now let's go to the leaves. So I'm taking a 7 millimeters ribbon just so you see more, but I've been doing in that project, I've been using 7 millimeters and 4 millimeters. So for this one, we won't be really pulling on the ribbon, so I'm not attaching my piece of fabric to my cushion. You just figure out which length you want your leaf, and you go back in, and then when you're gonna pull, just be careful to not pull too quickly and too much, because this is what will form the leaf. You see I'm pulling there. You can give it a little bit of kind of a bulb effect, and you pull till you like the edge like that. So it's really just you get on top of your fabric like this. Now just make sure you don't pull too much, because if you pull too much, you're going to bring the ribbon with you from the previous sleeve. So with your needle, you can kind of create some bulbiness. I don't have the good vocabulary. And you can see here, instead of picking in the middle, I am on the side. So this will give a different look to the leaf, because it will kind of give it an angle. And it's really the way you pull and the gap you leave, and then you can play a little bit with the ribbon and your needle to kind of give it the volume that you want there. But it's really just this. It's as simple as that. So you get on top of your fabric, you place your ribbon, give it the depth that you want, and then you figure out where you want it to end. You place your needle somewhere and you go at the back. But when you pull at the back, you need to be gentle and you need to kind of pull slowly, not too much, because otherwise if you pull too much, you just lose that cute end. It will just bring the whole flower, the whole leaf too tight, and you're missing that look. That's all. That's really all it is. So what I'm gonna do is, I've been doing this cute little cluster here, and For the remaining of the video, I don't think I need to give much more details about how to do the leaves. So I'm gonna put a cute music. I hope you like it. And you're gonna see me doing some more of the leaves. And in this case, I'm gonna do the rose as well so you can see. And you're gonna see for the other project, I'm adding some lace and I complete the cluster, totally complete the cluster. So you're gonna, but you don't need explanation. So I'll just put the music, and I'm showing you my steps as a fast forward video. So the speed is faster than my speed, just so you know, and you don't think that I'm so fast and that you are not able to be fast like that. It's just a video that I speed it up. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And next week I'm showing another kind of flower, of rose. See you next week. Bye bye.